Everybody, Apia!
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Apia!
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Group 11 and 12.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Thank you. Our team, we worked on poor waste management system. My team, together, we were able to develop a system for proper waste management. Waste management refers to the systematic approach in collection, treatment, recycling, and disposal of waste so as to mitigate the negative effects on human beings and other living organisms. Inefficient waste management system will exacerbate the precarious situation of the environment, thereby inputting all health hazards. So our team, we came together to develop an efficient system for collection of waste in Abia State. And this is our waste treatment plant. This system consists of a large collection vat where all the waste in various regions of Abia State are collected into this vat. So in this vat, as they are collected into this vat, the biology department of our team were able to categorize the waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable in this system. And so the biodegradable waste were able to be sorted out in this system and converted into compost by introduction of enzymatic microorganisms that decomposed it to its place. And so here we have the compost that was developed into this machine. Then the system now use some of the compost for agricultural purposes, whereas some of the compost are developed into biogas, which is also used in household items, as you can see here. Then the non-biodegradable waste are collected through this channel. This system is automated such that degradable materials enter that channel, non-degradable materials are collected into this. Then our system now sorted the non-biodegradable, whereby plastics, metals, glass, and other materials that are non-biodegradable are collected here. Our physics department was able to put heads together and develop ways of sorting this non-biodegradable system by making use of density. Density of plastic is about 1.4, density of glass about 2.5, density of metal ranging between 2.5 to 7.8, depending on the metal. And so all were sorted into this place. So the system is designed such that the material with lighter density is processed first. Of course, in this case, what we have is plastics. So all the plastics collected in this chamber were directed into an electrostatic furnace. In that furnace, there is a heating device where the plastic collected is melted. It now runs into a mold where different materials such as bags, plastic shoes, plastic plates, plastic cups are collected. And so our system, the non-biodegradable, followed by glass. It was also developed producing glass materials, whereas the iron were melted according to different densities and they were all collected. And I want to involve the language department of our team for their input in this system.
All right. Having seen this wonderful system, is one thing to have a system, is another thing to tell the public how to use the system. Because of this, we must employ multilingual
Sopa, what is happening here? Hey, madam, tu n'es pas encore lu nos jetés par les déchets ici. No throw away the tea.
There is need for
do
diverse
not litter
languages
here.
in advertisement.
Atun sabaluni eba. Owe
Clear communication must have Igbo,
Watotoria.
English, Pidgin, as well as French. You should do that. Why advertising? Again, leveraging on digital literacy. We must launch into social medias. with our materials for information while launching awareness campaigns. The youth, the young are all in our diverse social media, and that is the only way they can get to know what to do at the right time.
Thank you. Technological department, can you come for your input?
As you can see, the arts, mathematics, technology, and technology department of our group were able to compose songs to enlighten our people on the need to dispose their waste properly. The width, length, and diameter of our prototypes were calculated and measured. And then the technology and department of our group of our team designed and built, as you have seen here, an efficient and adequate waste disposal plant. Here are the prototypes of our works. As you can see, these are all from the waste we see in our environment. Those things that we see actually as waste are raw materials for beautifying our environments if they are properly managed.
Here we have our foot pedal waste bin. During COVID-19, foot pedal waste bin were very, very pronounced. And with locally made plastics, we were able to develop a foot pedal bin. And there are other materials that are produced using locally produced material. Thank you very much for listening to us. Thank you very much for listening to us. Abia!